how are you all? So today's video is dedicated to all the beautiful mothers out there. You have gone through a beautiful journey of pregnancy and you have given a lot of nutrition and everything to your baby who was growing in the womb. That was a beautiful thing. So now you are trying to lose your weight, you are trying to get weight which was there, your pre-pregnancy weight. So a lot of people tell me that we are trying a lot of things. We are doing vigorous exercises, we are doing planks, push-ups, everything. But the one complaint is that they are not able to reduce the pouch which is there in front of the abdomen. So they tell me that the whole body is like losing, but the pouch which is there in the front, it's not going. Why this pouch is not going? So let us discuss about this pouch. What is this pouch and why it is not going? Why the body which is there is losing weight and not this pouch? So why it is so? So I will discuss today a condition called as diastasis recti. So what is diastasis recti? Diastasis recti is a separation of muscles, abdominal muscles, which is called as rectus abdominalis, which is the large muscles which is situated here, which gives you a six-pack abs. So during pregnancy and after pregnancy, women undergo changes. The uterus grows and expands. Because of this expansion, there's a pressure, internal pressure increases. Because of this pressure, the abdominal muscle separates. It is usually seen in women giving birth to more weight babies, also women who is about 35 years of age, and it is also seen in multiple pregnancies. So it is not only limited to women and during pregnancy, it can also be seen in males and it can also be seen in newborn babies. So there are various reasons. The commonest is the pregnancy. Other reasons apart from pregnancy, in men's or in non-pregnant women, you can see when you lift heavy weight and it is not in a correct way. The weight is not carried in a correct manner. Also it is seen in abdominal obesity. The person who is obese, it can also seen in that person. They can suffer from diastasis recti. So what are the symptoms of diastasis recti? The most noticeable is the pouch which you see in front. So the whole body will be lean, but the abdominal pouch will be bulgy, as if you are still pregnant. It is so noticeable. Second is the low back pain because of the weak core. Third is the bloating. You will have lot of bloating. Then you will have poor posture and constipation. So how you will know that you are having diastasis or you are suffering from diastasis recti? There is a simple technique to know if you are having a diastasis recti. How to check your diastasis recti? You should lie down on your back. Always lie down taking support of one hand like this. Lie down straight. Okay. Fold your knees. Place one hand on the back of the head. Place the other hand just above the belly button. Now lift your head like this and try to feel any depression or if any finger is going inside. If you feel any depression or if your finger is fitting inside the muscles, then you are having a diastasis recti. When the diastasis recti is very mild to moderate, that is when only one or two finger is going inside the depression. When you put your two fingers above the belly button, the muscles will hold your finger tightly. When you take your head up, the muscle will hold your finger. So in mild to moderate diastasis, the healing is very good. The chances of narrowing is very good. With a magical asana, this asana is really magical because it can completely reduce or narrow your diastasis recti. Diastasis will not close completely or the muscles will not join, but definitely it will give you a flat stomach or it will help the diastasis to get narrow in mild to moderate cases. So there is a magical asana. Only one asana I'll teach you. Just do it at least 90 times a day. You can divide this in 3 times, 30 in morning, 30 afternoon, 30 at nights. Simple exercise, you can do it on the bed, on the ground, wherever you can. So I'll just give a demonstration of this. The name of this asana is Setu Bandh Sarvang Asana or the bridge pose. For this, you have to lie down on your back taking support, always taking support like this. Bend your legs, knees together, hands on the sides. You have to lift your lower back up like this. Stay there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and back. In this, you can do another version by holding your hands from back like this and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and relax. When you are comfortable, you can take your legs as close to your hips as possible. Now you can also hold your legs like this and lift and chin touching the chest. Breathe here, don't hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and relax. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and relax. Lift as high up as you can. Lift as high up as you can. Whichever version is suitable for you, you can practice that. Relax and then go again. As close to the hips as possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and relax. So anyone suffering from diastasis recti should avoid any sort of planks, any forward bending, any lifting of heavy weights. If you are holding your child also, hold in a proper posture. Take care of your posture while sitting down and while getting up from bed. Take the support and then get up. Even if you feel you're strong, you can get up. Then too, if you take a support and you get up, it will give strength to the core because the core is weak. We have to strengthen the core. After the core is strengthened, then you don't find any problem to get up. So the complications associated with diastasis recti are the back pain, pelvic floor dysfunction, hernia, poor posture, and also the psychological impact which women faces when they feel that still they are pregnant, when the pouch bulges out. So keep practicing this asana, which is called as the bridge pose or the Setu Bandh Sarvang Asana. Definitely this pouch will go if you have a mild to moderate diastasis recti. Just practice this asana 90 times a day, 3 times, dividing 3 times. You can practice 90 times a day. I'm sure within a span of 2 months, definitely you will get a flat stomach if you are practicing regularly and 90 times a day. Thank you.